Have you ever stared at a legal problem or a blank contract and felt that immediate wave of anxiety because you didn't have a lawyer on speed dial, or the thousands of dollars needed to hire one? Most of us know that getting legal documents right is non-negotiable, but the traditional process is often slow, intimidating, and incredibly expensive. I recently found myself needing a solid, professional contract, and instead of spiraling into legal jargon or crossing my fingers with a random template I found online, I decided to see if Rocket Lawyer lived up to the hype. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how I used it to create a binding legal document in minutes. The process actually starts with simplicity. Once you're on the platform, you aren't just given a static document to fill out. Instead, it feels more like a guided interview. I chose the specific document I needed, in this case, a non-disclosure agreement, and the interface began asking me plain English questions. It asked about the parties involved, the duration of the agreement, and the specific state laws that should apply. What I found most helpful was that as I answered these questions, the document was being built in real time right next to the chat box. There was no guessing where a clause should go or how to phrase a specific requirement. Rocket Lawyer's builder handles the formatting and the legalese based on your specific inputs. Once the draft was finished, I didn't have to just take their word for it. One of the best features is the on-call attorney network. I was able to have a real lawyer review my specific document to ensure it provided the protection I actually needed for my unique situation. This bridge between DIY and professional service is what really changed the game for me. After the review, the final step was execution. I didn't need to print, scan, or mail anything. I used their RocketSign tool to send the document electronically. Both parties signed it digitally, and a copy was automatically stored in my secure dashboard. What used to take a week of back-and-forth emails and expensive consultations was finished before I even finished my morning coffee. If you've been putting off a contract, a will, or business formation documents because it feels too heavy to tackle, this approach removes the friction. You get the confidence of a lawyer-crafted document with the speed of a modern app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.